So right out of the gate, here's a few pros and cons I see. One, obviously, is lightweight, it's portable, it allows you to use your existing quick connect setup if you have all these tools already. It is very small scale. It's going to be for your beds or something like that, or a very small area like an actual ground tiller that has more weight to it, that has a larger width span. It's going to get the job done a lot quicker than something like this. Another thing I noticed was for things that have, I mean, these are regular small plants, so the roots aren't very large, but it is getting wrapped up, if you can see right there, in the roots, in the tiller itself. So that's interesting. Every once in a while, I have to actually pull those out and clear them out. I don't own a large tiller, so I don't know if that's a common occurrence, but we'll see when we do buy one. The next thing is a pro is that it makes short work of these beds very quickly. You know, it did cost about $300 to do the same thing I could have done with a pitchfork or my hand, but I'll make it through all these beds in 30 minutes, no problem. Whereas with a pitchfork or the like a hand shovel, it's going to take a little more time to turn these over. So, I mean, there's positives and negatives there. Also, obviously, the quick disconnect and ability to change to a different tool very quickly is nice. So this will fold up and fit into a nice small space here, and that's cool. You also have, obviously, the ability to swap out the battery on the base, which is not part of the cultivator, but it is the driving implement of the cultivator itself. So overall, pretty cool. We'll let you know how it is after we've had a little bit more time with it, and check back next time. See ya.